It's time for another King of the Hill. Here's the current King of the Hill, Mega Wrex. And he's still under the protection of Darth Vader. We have 16 Hot Wheels monster trucks all ready to take a crack at the King. But before we have the race, we're gonna have a pick your ride. And let's do that right now. Come on, man. It was not me. I think Batman's getting a little bit jealous. Now let's go over the race. It's going to be 16 monster truck, all from Hot Wheels. So it comes out to a Hot Wheels monster truck challenge of the King. It's going to be on my outside track. There's going to be a water feature, and I'm going to race them 2 at a time. And it's going to be a really exciting race. I'll try to have it posted in the next 2 weeks. All you have to do is pick a car, leave it in the comments below, and you'll be the driver and possibly the winner of the King of the Hill. And you'll have forever glory as the KITT Racing King of the Hill. All right, let's get started. The first truck we have up is the Super Mario Bowser. I put this truck in the case because it feels heavy and it looks really cool. I really look forward to seeing it race down the track. So if you want this car, put Bowser in the comments below. Next truck up, we have the brand new casting Recreational. Now this truck feels very heavy as well. Plus with those white walls, who wouldn't want to see it go down the track? I'm really having high hopes for this truck. All right, next truck up. I'm gonna put Rhino Mite in this. Rhino Mite is a unique monster truck. It looks fast and it'll be super cool to see him run down the track. So if you want this truck, put Rhino Mite in the comments below. And the next truck up, I could not resist the super fueled Roger Dodger. It looks like a big lemon, but I am super excited to see it run down the track, and I have a feeling it's gonna be fast. All right, next truck. We have the super fueled Hotweiler. This is a truck I've really been looking forward to opening, and I cannot wait to showcase it in this King of the Hill. If you want to pick this truck and be a driver, leave Hotweiler in the comments below. And the next truck up is the Hot Wheels delivery truck from the Paint Crush series. One of my favorite series Hot Wheels came out with this year. It feels heavy, and I'm really having some high hopes that it can perform pretty well. All right, next truck up, we have We'll Trash It All of the Wheel Cool series. Really fantastic truck. Look at the tires on this thing. I mean, the sawtooth pattern on it is awesome. So we're gonna see how quick he is. If you want this truck picked, We'll Trash It All. Next truck up. And we have the Land Rover Jeep from the Crash Legends series. Really looking forward to opening this. It's a beautiful truck, beautiful casting. So it'll be fun to see him race down the track. If you want this truck, just put Land Rover in the comments below. And the next truck up is Bionic Bruiser. Let's see if he has a bionic approach to being fast. He's in the Fast Foodie series. Will be interesting to see. Unique casting for sure. If you want to be a driver, Bionic Bruiser. And the next truck, I could not resist putting Tyrannosaurus Rex from Jurassic World in this one. He will be awesome to see run down the track. Really a unique design. I like the casting a lot, so I heard there's a 124 version coming out. I might have to pick that one up. Next truck. I have a 2-pack, and look who's in the 2-pack. We have a Mega Wrex, and we have a Midwest Madness. Now, if you pick this, you have 2 chances to win. So it'll be interesting to see if we can have a new Mega Wrex as the King of the Hill. But that Midwest Madness is one of my favorite castings. If you want these trucks, pick the Roar and Rumble 2-pack. And the next truck up is the Unimog. This is one of my favorite castings of the year by far. It's super unique and it's super cool. And I really hope he does well. Would he not look fantastic on the King of the Hill here at KITT Racing? But if you want this truck, just pick Unimog in the comments below. Awesome truck. All right, next truck. And the next truck up is of the Wheel Cool series again, is the HW Dozen Delivery School Bus. I'm really happy to put this truck in the Monster Truck King of the Hill. It'll be fun to watch him go down the track as he has a very unique design and color pattern to this casting. Yeah, if you want this truck, pick the HW Dozen Deliver. All right, next truck. And we have another Roger Dodger. This one is of the Neon Shocker series, and it's probably one of my favorite Roger Dodgers of the year. Of course, I like to think that these Roger Dodgers are going to be quick, so we'll see how he does. And the final truck, last but not least, is the Battle Cat from the Masters of the Universe series. It will be fantastic to see it go down the track. Of course, I'm a big fan of He-Man, so I'll be kind of pulling for it. If you want this truck, just put Battle Cat in the comments below. That wraps it up. I put them all back in the box. While you guys wait for the race, I have 6 other Monster Truck King of the Hills you can watch. And check out some of my recent short videos where I opened up the 124 Sparkle Smash. That was pretty fun to do. Isn't that a cool monster truck? I hope everybody's doing well, and see you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.